I am Karthik and I am going to solve the question.
So here we have the question. I have written it. So we have limit 0 to 1 on the first integral, and then the second integral we have square root y to 1. And here we have the question is square root x cube plus y dx dy. If we note the domain, that we see that y is greater than 0 and less than equal to 1, and here similarly x is greater equal to square root y, and less than equal to square root sorry x is greater than or equal to square root y and less than or equal to 1. Now we can also draw the domain. If you see, here is the y axis and here is the x axis. So the graph, this is y equal to x square graph, and if you see, um, this is the dy component and this is the dx, and here it is 1, and we want to find the integral for this part, right? So now if we solve for this part, so now when we solve this, we can since this is a double integral, since it is a double integral, and so we can reverse the order, can reverse the order. So then if we reverse the order, d will be x comma y, and x will be greater equal to 0 and less than equal to 1, and similarly y will be less than greater than 0 and less than x square. Now we can write this integral that was written earlier here. I'm just copying it down. That is x cube plus 1 dx dy. I can express this as, for the domain D, square root x cube plus 1 dA. That's the in area, differential part of the area. So now if I can write this as 0 to 1, as I said, I can reverse the order. I can write it as 0 to, now this as x square, which was earlier square root y, I can now write it as x square, and I'll just copy down this thing, dy by dx. Right, now in the next step it will be 0 to 1 y square root x cube plus 1, and y equal to 0 to y equal to x square d of x. Now I'll write this down, and this y will now be x square, because here if you see the limit, y is equal to x square, and then I'll copy it down, x square root x cube plus 1 dx. And now we have a single integral, and we can solve this by substitution method. Here I'll take x cube plus 1 equal to u. We let x cube plus 1 equal to u, then du will be equal to 3x square, and the values of the limit will also change. So the values of limits will be, first limit will be x equal to 1, so u is equal to 1 plus 1, that's equal to 2. Second limit, or the lower limit, which you can say, will be for x equal to 0, u will be 0 plus 1, that is 1. Now if I solve this, as I told you, I have taken u equal to x cube plus 1, so du is now 3x square, right? So on solving this, I will write 1 by 3 here, and 1 to 2 the limits will be u to the power u square root u I'm writing is to the power 1 by 2 du, right? Now this will be 1 by 3 u to the power 3 by 2, and here the denominator will be also be 3 by 2. Limits will be 1 to 2, and now I can write it as 1 by 3, and 2 will come above, 3 into 3, and 2 to the power 3 by 2, and this will be minus 1 to the power 3 by 2. So this will be 2 by 9, 2 by 9, 2 to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. So we get the answer, that is 2 by 9 brackets 2 to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 for the integral which was given. Thank you.